Hello everyone, welcome to RNH Academy channel. Today we will learn about polynomials. So polynomial stands for many terms. For example, 4xy square plus 3x minus 6. It's a polynomial and it has three terms. A polynomial has constants, variables and exponents. So this is a constant. X and y are variables since their value can vary. And 4 is also a constant or coefficient. Definition of polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form px equals to a0 plus a1x and so on, where a0, a1, a2, so on are real numbers. And power of x should always be a positive integer or non-negative integers. A question for you. Is 3 multiply x multiply y raised to the power minus 2 a polynomial? Is 3 divided by x plus 5 a polynomial? No, since power of y is a negative integer and same is here. Is 5 a constant? Yes. Is 5 a polynomial? Yes. An algebraic expression is called a polynomial when power of variables is positive integer. And 5 is a polynomial, though it's a constant, but it's also a polynomial because 5 multiply x power 0 and 0 is not a negative integer. Let's understand an important concept of polynomial, that is degree. Degree of a polynomial is the highest power of x in px. For example, it is a polynomial. Degree of px is 3 since the highest power of x is 3. Find out the degree of this expression. You got it. Degree is 4. Highest power of x is 4. Similarly, degree of this expression is 2. And degree of px equals to x plus 5 is 1. Remember, a polynomial of degree 3 is known as cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is biquadratic polynomial. And a polynomial of degree 2 is quadratic polynomial. And a polynomial of degree 1 is linear polynomial. Let's understand another important concept, that is 0 of a polynomial. Now we'll understand it with the help of an example. Now this is a quadratic polynomial because highest degree of x is 2. Now follow with me and you'll understand the concept 0 of a polynomial. Now let's substitute value of x in px. So px is equal to 4 square minus 2 multiply 4 minus 8, which is equivalent to 4 square is 16 minus 2 multiply 4 is 8 minus 8. 16 minus 16 is 4 is 0 of px. So the definition is It is the value of variable for which value of the polynomial becomes 0. Let polynomial be px, and px can be any polynomial, linear, quadratic, biquadratic or cubic. Now alpha is value of x. Alpha could be any value, it's a variable of x. Now if p alpha is equal to 0, then alpha is 0 of polynomial. So when we plot a quadratic polynomial on a graph, the shape of graph is either an upward opening parabola or a downward opening parabola. Zeros of a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c are the x coordinates where parabola intersects the x-axis. Let's do some questions to understand the concept. Question number 1 is, the graphs of y is equals to px are given. Find the number of zeros. So first figure, there are no zeros as the graph does not intersect the x-axis. Second, number of zeros is 1 as graph intersects the x-axis at 1 point only. Number of zeros is 2 since graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points. Number of zeros are 4 since curve intersects the x-axis at 4 points. Now find out the number of zeros. You got it. Number of zeros are, and similarly the number of zeros are 3. It may take some time to grasp new concept. So I recommend you to watch the video again. Do not forget to hit the like button. Leave your comments in the comment section. Share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And do hit the bell icon to get the fastest notifications. Thank you.